Hey, what's up guys? Today we're diving into the fascinating philosophy of Friedrich Nietzsche and his unique take on consciousness. He saw psychology, often underappreciated, as a queen. But what did he think about consciousness, a concept so central to our understanding of ourselves? Well, Nietzsche was a bit of a rebel in this regard. While we often consider consciousness the pinnacle of our intellectual development, he saw it as a clumsy, superfluous creation born out of suffering. He believed that people overestimate its importance and forget that it is not the kernel of a person, nor does it reveal the unity of the organism. So what did Nietzsche think was more critical for survival? Instinctive behaviors, such as eating, drinking, and procreating. Yeah, pretty wild, right? But it doesn't stop there. Nietzsche warned us not to trust our consciousness too much, as it is but a dream mixed up with our own subjective needs and feelings. Our inner world is hardly distinguishable from our outer one, and our ideas of ideas, will, and feeling are merely superficial representations of our inner selves. So there you have it, guys. Nietzsche's critical and skeptical view of consciousness challenges our very notions of reality and ourselves. Let his words inspire you to think outside the box and question everything you thought you knew about the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.